Hello Ishan.
Hi.
So today we will study computer and its uses, and then we will study parts of computer. Okay?
Okay.
Kitchen, they used to make knives. Okay?
Yes.
Knife, scissor. Okay, these are small machines
Yes.
also. Okay? Okay, when the technology developed, so they started making some other stuff like some machine like cycle and motorbike. Okay?
Oh.
Car, and then computer as well. Okay, so all these kind of things are machines. Okay, so when the knowledge was less, they started making small things like knife, scissor, okay, gum. These are all what that make our job easier, right? All the things are. Cycle also used to take from one point to another, right?
Yes.
Okay, motorbike even much faster than cycle, right? So what all these things are? These are all types of machines only. Okay,
Yes.
this is also machine. Okay,
Yes.
what is a machine then? These are all human made things.
Yes.
So we can say that human made things. Just listen to me. That help us do our work easier.
Do I write this?
No, you don't need to write this, but you need to listen to me. I will make you learn also that. Okay, so it saves our time, right?
Yes.
And energy also. Okay, it works fast. Okay,
Okay.
it works fast also, right?
Yes.
So whenever someone asks you what is a machine, what is a machine,
Yes.
so you can say that human made things that help us do our work easier. Okay, what you will say? Human made things that make our work, that help us do our work easier. Okay,
Okay.
and can you say that?
Yes. Human make things that help us do our work easier. It saves our time, energy. It works fast.
Now we are going to study about computer, which is a machine, right?
Yeah.
But we call it a smart machine.
Yeah.
Why?
Because it didn't.
It helps us in many ways smartly. Okay, it just does not do only one work. It does many work. So that is why it is called a smart machine. Okay, okay. So what we can do with the help of computer? What we can?
We can solve sums.
Very good. Uses of computer. Tell me.
And we can solve sums. We can watch movies. We can listen to music.
Listen to music.
And
Watch movies. And what else?
We can play games.
Mm-hmm. We can play games. Okay. What else? You can store your information in the computer. Okay.
Okay.
That is the most important thing. Store information. Okay, in the computer. So, can you write all these things? So, uses of computer. First point should be like this. It stores information. Okay.
Yes.
First should be this, then this, then this. Okay. Write down uses of computer. So now we are going to study parts of computer. Okay.
Okay.
Parts of computer. So one by one I will draw the parts. Okay. So you have to tell me. First listen to me. Pens down. First part is the CPU. Okay. What is the full form of CPU?
Central Processing Unit.
Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Okay.
Okay.
This is the brain. This is also called the brain of computer because all the information is stored here. Okay.
Okay.
All the information is stored here. It is also called brain of computer. We can write like this: brain of computer. Then we have monitor. Monitor is the screen which you see, right?
Yes.
This is a CPU. This is the keyboard. So many keys are there. Okay. And here is the mouse. Okay. It is kept on mouse pad. Okay. This is the screen. Whatever you write, it will come and you can see it here. So this is the wire actually. Okay.
Okay.
These are the wires. Okay. And it is gone in the electricity board. Okay.
Okay.
It works on electricity, right? Electricity board. It is a board, right?
Yeah.
So this is how the computer looks. Okay. So what is a monitor? This is a monitor.
Yes.
What is the use of monitor?
We can type keys on it.
Whatever we type, it is displayed on the monitor. Whatever we see, whatever we type, we only see it on a monitor. It is a screen, right? It is a
Yes.
screen like television, right?
Yes.
It is a screen. Whatever we do, it is shown here. Okay. Okay, monitor. Then we have a keyboard. Then we have a speaker, mouse. Okay. Let me draw two speakers also. I was drawing here. Okay, speakers. These are called speakers. Whatever we listen, okay, speakers help us listen any kind of song or any audio that is heard by, that is we can hear from speaker. All the voice will come only from the speakers. Okay, so one by one we can go through. So what is the part of CPU? Someone ask you, what is the part of computer? CPU. Hello? Listen here, pens down. CPU. Read it.
CPU, monitor, keyboard, speaker, mouse.
These are called the parts of
Computer.
Can you say it again?
CPU, monitor, keyboard, speaker, mouse.
Yeah, these are called the parts of.
Parts of computer.
What are the parts of computer?
CPU,
Mhm.
monitor, keyboard, speaker, mouse.
Very good. So now we are going to study about parts of computer in detail. Okay. So Parts of computer. Now we know the names of all the parts of the computer.
Yes.
Okay, so first part is the CPU, which is the most important part of the computer. Okay, why it is most important part of the computer? It is because it stores all the information. It stores all the information. Okay, it stores all the information, and that is why it is called, because it stores all the information, it is also called brain of the computer. Brain means mind, right? Why it is called brain? Because it stores all the information. Okay, why it is called brain of computer? Because it stores all the information. Okay, okay, okay. Also, all other parts like speaker, monitor
Yes.
are connected.
In CPU.
Yes, all other are connected in CPU, right? Connected to the CPU. Okay. What is the full form of CPU?
Central Processing Unit.
Why it is called central? Because it is the most important part of the computer, and all other parts are connected to the CPU. So whenever someone asks you what is CPU, you have to tell Central Processing Unit. What is CPU? Central Processing Unit. It stores all the information. It is also called brain of the computer, and all other parts are connected to the CPU.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Now we'll move to the other part, which is called monitor. So someone asks you which is the most important part of the computer, then what you will say?
CPU.
Very good. Okay. Now we'll study about monitor. What is a monitor? Monitor is the screen.
Yes.
Screen.
It's like a face of the computer.
Exactly. Screen. Monitor. We call it monitor. Okay. So whatever commands or whatever we type or whatever we do, all the things whatever we do, we can see it on the monitor. Okay.
Yes.
We can see it on the monitor, whatever we type. Whatever we type. Okay. All right.
Alright.
And when we want to watch any movies, we can watch it on a
Monitor.
we can watch movies.
On a monitor.
Movie on
Uh,
monitor, right?
Yep.
Okay. So what we can do with the help of monitor, we can see it, whatever we type, we can see it on the monitor. We can watch movies, we can draw, whatever we draw, we can see it on the monitor.
Yep.
Okay. Now tell me, what is the next part of the computer? Keyboard.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Next part is
Keyboard.
keyboard. Keyboard. Okay.
Okay.
What is keyboard? Keyboard is a device which has many keys. Okay.
Okay.
It is a device with many keys used to type
Yes.
on computer. Okay,
Okay.
when we press these keys, okay, and this is a monitor, we can see, suppose this is A. When we press this button A, it will type here A. We can see it on the monitor. We can type our name also, right? We can type A, B, anything. We can write a letter, we can write a story with the help of a keyboard. We can type anything.
Yes.
Okay, so everybody use this keyboard to type their things, okay, to do their work. Okay, so what is a keyboard? It is a device with many keys used to type on computer. Okay, okay, next is what? Mouse. Mouse, what is a mouse?
Mouse is a
Mouse is a small device.
Yeah, it's called pointing device.
It is a small device.
Pointing.
Yes. Small device called pointing device, right?
Yes.
Why it is called pointing device? Because suppose this is a monitor and mouse is connected to the CPU, okay, and this is a keyboard, okay, and it is kept on a mouse pad. This is a mouse. Do you know what is this? Mouse pad, right?
Yes.
Mouse pad. So why it is called pointing device? Why it is called pointing device? Because when we move this device on this mouse pad, we move it little bit here, right side. So this pointer will move to right side. It will move. This is called pointer. This pointer, okay?
Okay.
This pointer will move to other side when we move. It is a small device called pointing device. It moves from one place to
Another.
yes. That is why it is called pointing device. So can you write down keyboard and mouse? So now we are going to study about the devices that we can use with the computer, right? Which we can use. Do you know any device? Devices which we can use with computer, right? Okay. So there are devices like printer. Okay. Device like UPS. Device like speaker. Okay. Okay. Printer. What is the use of printer? We can print anything on a paper using printer, right? We can print any information. Can print any information on
A paper.
on paper. Okay.
Okay.
What else we can do? Okay. So printer is a device which can be attached next to the computer, right? Suppose this is a printer. So we can put some papers here, and suppose we give a print command from our computer. So we can print any information on a paper, right?
Yes.
Printer is a device that we can connect with the computer, or we can connect using a Wi-Fi network, and we can print any information from any device, not just computer. We can print, we can give print from the mobile as well, if we can connect with that printer and mobile. If we can connect with the computer and printer also, then we can give print from computer as well. Okay. Okay, so printer is used to print any information on paper. Okay. The the printout, the paper which gets printed is called printouts. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what is a UPS? It is known as uninterruptible power supply. Okay. Uninterruptible
Power supply.
It is like a battery backup. Okay. We can connect the computer with the UPS. So even if there is no power, this power supply gives some power to the computer, and it does not get shut down when power is not there. Okay. So it is called UPS. You should remember the full form: uninterruptible power supply.
Uninterruptible power.
Okay, you can write down uninterruptible power supply. And the last part is speakers. So with the help of speaker, we can, when we connect the speakers to the computer, we can listen to the audio. Okay, using the speakers. Suppose these are the speakers. Okay, these are the speakers. Okay, and there is a computer here. Okay, this is a computer, this is monitor. Okay, and there is CPU here. Okay, CPU is there, CPU, and this is mouse pad. Okay, and if there are no speakers, so we can watch any movies. We can only see, but we cannot hear. Okay, we can only see the video, but we cannot get the audio. So that is why we use the speaker. If we will not use the speaker, then we will not be able to hear any music or listen to any audio. Okay, so speakers are used to listen to the audio of the computer. Okay.
Okay.